What a beautiful view. But not as beautiful as this beast right here. Check that out. KX112 looks real good. Now, as beautiful as this bike may be, how good is it at climbing hills? I think we should find out. So I think this is the first hill that we're gonna climb. It looks pretty bad, but I think the KX112 can make it up there. All right, real quick, before I hit this hill, I just want to say thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. Your guys' support is what makes me want to keep filming crazy videos like these. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 3,000 subscribers now, so thank you guys very much. Now let's hit this hill. Let's go. Now the hardest part is coming down. Let's go! 1 point for the KX, 0 points for the hills. Let's go, baby. That right there was for you guys watching. All right, so this is the next hill that we're gonna go up. I've gone up this hill in my Tacoma. And my Tacoma did pretty fine, but let's see how the 112 does. I think it should be able to make it. Not gonna lie, this hill looks pretty scary, but I think this is easy work for the 112. Easy work, this ain't nothing. I'm telling you, easy work for the 112. I think it was harder coming down and going up. Let's move on to the next hill. I think I found the last hill that we're gonna go up. I don't know about this one. This one looks even scarier than the last one. What do you guys think about this massive hill? Honestly, I don't think the 112 is gonna be able to make it up that, but we'll definitely give it a shot. Let's do it. Oh, this thing looks crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo! I don't know about this one. All right, guys, here goes nothing. Let's do this! The good thing about this bike is that it's not heavy. I've gone up this hill on a 450 and whoo, that one's heavy. This one's actually pretty easy. It's just that it's super slippery. Look at that. Whew. This is the worst part, coming down. Well, my shoes were black. They're gray now. Whew. Let's go. I had it there, guys. I had it. I was wheeling, but once it gets to the top, it's super pointy. The bike just bogged out, but I had it. I was already there. I might hit it again. I'm not sure. Whew. That was crazy. Okay, I think I'm gonna try it one more time. If I can't make it up this time, that's it. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't make it. It's just at the top, the dirt, it's so loose. I tried leaning forward, but still, it was trying to wheelie and the bike just bogged out. I was in third. Once it started bogging, I shifted down to second, but still, I think this is it, guys. I couldn't make it up this hill. I might have to redeem myself in another video, but I think I'm gonna end the video there. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. I love making these type of videos for you guys, so if you guys enjoyed, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, because you never know what I could post. Stay tuned, more leg content coming soon. See you in the next video. Peace. Is that a ghost walking over there? Do you guys see that? That's not an animal. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. Nobody, there's nothing around here. I think I just captured a ghost.